Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mark Smith. I am the industrial technology teacher at Reed Custer High School, and this is episode 6 of How Can Industry Get Involved with the Education System? We're also calling this the Vision Casting series. What is vision casting? It's using words and stories, videos and pictures to help people gain a better understanding of a topic and to put processes in place to help move them towards that better understanding. And why am I always mentioning that? Well, because the wood industry is somewhat invisible to the education system. Every school I've ever worked at, they had no idea there were jobs in the wood industry, and it was my job to help them understand that there are jobs, help the students understand, parents, the school system, and so on and so forth. So this is episode 6, and we're going to talk about 4 ways that you can get involved with your local education system, whether it's a high school or a college or what have you. So tonight is our freshman open house. That means students that are 8th graders right now are coming with their parents to view the school, the high school. They will be going to the gym where I will have a table, a booth, like a mini trade fair, set up with students manning that booth, and they will be showing off their projects, talking to students about what they do in orientation to technology, which is our entry-level class that is available to freshmen. While I am in the gym doing that, my successor, Adam Mockles, will be in the classroom doing what I normally do, talking to every student and parent that comes through, talking about the program, the opportunities that the program can afford you. And man, what a great place to have access to parents. We have 95% participation in the freshman open house, which means if you were to stand at our booth in the gym with my students, you would see almost every parent in the school system that has an upcoming freshman. You could also stand in the classroom with me, but this year will be Adam, and you would be available to meet with parents and talk to them about opportunities, because there are two major gatekeepers. One is the parents and one is the high school counselors. And so that would be a great opportunity for you to meet with some of the gatekeepers. So participating in an event like that would be great. You could also set up your own booth at the freshman house, probably in conjunction with the CTE department. And you're saying, hey, I'm available to talk with your student and your parents about why you should be taking CTE courses, because they will help you get a job in the future. The second thing you could do is you could help the teacher start a Student of the Year award. Many programs across the nation have Teachers of the Year, they have Students of the Year. Back when I was still doing my newsletter, I would have an Industry Partner of the Year. And so that is a great way to show students and the parents at home, when that student takes that award home, that hey, we're out here, the wood industry exists, and we want you to consider us. So that's another great thing to do. You could also, the third way is you can send a representative to the school to participate in an awards event. So at the end of every year, we have an awards event. I'm not sure if we're doing one this year, but we normally do. And at that time, teachers hand out to students that are in their program any awards they might have won. So even though my WCA saw blade certificate is not an award, it is awarded to the students who earned it. And so that is an opportunity for the students in front of the whole student body, all the admin, and people from the press, people from the community. We hand out our WCA saw blade certificates, and everybody can see that. And you could be a part of that. Just like at graduation at a school, sometimes a student requests someone to hand them their diploma, someone other than the principal or a school board member, and you could be a person like that, except you're handing out an award that relates to the wood industry. Of course, mine is the WCA saw blade certificate. That's the award we give out. So then the last thing is, if you were to set up a booth at an event at the school, you want to make sure you bring a lot of business cards and hand them out to every parent you see. They are the primary gatekeepers of your future employees, and you want them to know about you. So make sure you are networking with everyone you see, handing out your business card, or maybe you have some other small token thing that has your phone number, your email, your website, things like that. Maybe you're a company that gives out or participates in creating scholarships for college. For instance, I have a student, Nathan Manuth. I believe he has graduated from Pittsburgh State in the state of Kansas, and I'm sure he participated in some of those scholarships. And so money talks. So that's another great way to get parents' attention. You have something that the parents would benefit from, things like scholarship money. So that's it for now. We have about, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 more things to talk about, and we have about 2 or 3 months to get it done. So have a great day, everybody.